Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I wanted to show you really quick my Pipsticks stickers came today. So it came with the this card like it always does, and it says rainbows make everything better. Sorry for the glare. And it has that shiny different color. And then in the back it's that postcard. So it came with that, and then it came with the May 2023 booklet. So it says a note from Mo, and I believe, I never read these books, but I believe they are the ones who make that month's stickers, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, here you have this scramble the words. So let me show you this month's stickers. So let's see. I have something to back it up. So, these are pretty. It has a lot of makeup and palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and lipstick palettes, and some lipsticks, some eyeshadows, and blushes. So it's kind of cute in a girly way. And then the next tall one, it's about this dog with the paint all over him. So that's cute. Is it a dog or a cat? I think it's more of a cat. Yeah, it looks more like a cat, the way the cat. So it's a cat who went into the paint and he splattered paint all over him. So that's kind of cute. And then the next one is these donuts. And it does look like if it has some raised parts here, and it does feel like it's raised a little bit. So it's different colors of donuts, which I love. Then the smaller ones is this mushroom, which is very colorful, and I like the glare and the shine to that. It's real cute. I love the mushrooms. He looks like a kitty cat mushroom. So yeah, they all look like kitty cats because it has like a little tail. So, I don't know if you're picking that up, or if you can see it. Then this one is red, and it has everything red. So you have your pizza, your flour, your like Target there, the red shoes, the boxing gloves, your Heinz ketchup, strawberries, and your red lips, and tomato soup right there, and your Jello. Then it's everything yellow. So you have your mustard, your banana, sunflower, your lemon pie, your pad to write, the little yellow pug, the yellow Volkswagen, yellow mushroom, the yellow bird, and the yellow macaron, and the lemon pie. So that's cute. Then the last one is everything blue. So you have your koala in blue, your dolphin, your stapler, your camera, your little boogie there, or Volkswagen, that's a boogie, and your butterfly, and I think that's cotton candy, if I'm not mistaken, or your ice cream, the little bowl, and your little tea kettle there, and your overalls. That's cute. That is very cute. So those are the stickers, the pro stickers of the month for May. And I wanted to really quickly show you my journal. So I did change a couple of things for April. So let me show you really quick what I did for April. I did change the layout. So I first put a layout for events and personal, and then I put the entire calendar here. So, and then I put the weeks. And this month, April, I was not feeling quite myself. So as you can see, there are some that are missing in a lot of weeks. So now we're in May, and I just finished this May today. So I did do the May calendar, and then I have to write in some stuff, and we're in the 3rd week already, so I need to get cracking on that. So that's my new layout that I'm liking. And because these were like, even though these were nice, I liked that layout too, but I think I like the month and then this events and personal to write. And this I gave up doing. As you can see, I never put it in, but I do look at this often. And as you can see, I haven't done April or May here. So, and I haven't even put the things that I've ordered and when they're coming in, or even my mood tracker for half of April and May. So then I still have that blank, and then it goes into January. So that is it for my journal. I'll come back and show you some stuff that I did, some projects, and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and if you have any comments, please leave it down below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.